Welcome! Today, we're going on a journey through the invisible highways and byways of the internet, uncovering how it works step by step. At its core, the internet is simply a vast collection of smaller networks, millions of them, all interconnected. Each home, school, business, and data center forms its own network, and these connect through internet service providers and larger network providers. No single entity owns the internet. It's decentralized and built to tolerate failures, adapt, and keep running even if parts go down. Imagine you type a URL into your browser. That action kicks off a whole chain of events. First, your message is broken into tiny chunks called packets. These are like digital postcards carrying both data and instructions on how to handle that data. These packets travel through hardware like your home router, modem, and across ISP networks. They hop from device to device, routers and switches, guided by smart protocols, until they reach their destination. There, they're reassembled into the web page or content you asked for. But before packets go anywhere, your browser needs to know where to send them. That's where the domain name system comes in. DNS translates human-friendly domain names into numerical IP addresses that computers understand. It's like looking up a phone number in a directory, just done in milliseconds. Data travels through multiple layers. Think of them as different stages of processing. Application layer. This is where your browser or app lives. It formulates what you want to do. Transport layer. Here, TCP organizes data into packets, ensuring they arrive intact and in order. Internet layer IP assigns addressing and figures out how packets should navigate networks. Network layer, physical. The data travels over wires, fiber optics, or wireless signals to reach the destination. This layered process is why your email appears, your video streams, or your search results pop up, all seemingly instantly. Beneath the surface lies a massive, resilient infrastructure. ISPs, tiered as Tier 3, Tier 2, and Tier 1, carry data across the world through agreements and routing protocols. Even if a path fails, alternate routes step in, ensuring you stay connected. It's common to use internet and web interchangeably, but they're not the same. The internet is the underlying network. The World Wide Web is a service running on it, built from HTML pages, identified by URLs, and accessed using HTTP. Thanks to its distributed nature, the internet is resilient. If a server goes offline, the rest keeps running. If your local ISP has an issue, traffic may be rerouted through other networks, all while you load your page without knowing what's happening under the hood. So there it is, an interconnected web of networks, smart protocols breaking down and routing your data as packets, DNS guiding traffic like GPS, all layered and designed to keep the world connected. Next time you browse, stream, or chat, take a moment to appreciate the invisible systems making it all possible. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.